Good morning, traders, and this is your Aussie day trade setup for today, the South African top 40. So we ended up with a bit of a pin bar here. Remember, this bar from the day before was actually a green bar. Got some nonsense data in there, but what we do have is buyers stepping in here. So we're seeing it across most markets at the moment, and be very wary of following the news at this stage. So the news and the media, they're on a tangent at the moment, and they're following the hype. But the reality is they are so far behind what's actually happening in the markets. So watch the charts. The charts are going to tell you everything you need to know. So at this stage, trend is still very much the downside, but we are seeing buyers come in. You can see buyers came in here. You can see buyers came in here. We're probably going to have a gap down. Let me just double check that at the moment. Right now, the futures market is crazy at this stage. Let's get there. So 10 cent is only down 1% at the moment, but the US markets are down 4.4, 4.6, 4.7%. The futures market. The rand dollar is, it's been hammered. It's 17.50 at the moment. Sorry, 17.50 is what the rand dollar is right now. Crude oil's slightly up, 10% up at the moment. So, there's a lot going on. China is down 3% right now. Nothing really major there. But, yeah, so I think the reality of the situation right now is we are in oversold territory. We're seriously in oversold territory. And we're also in a downtrend. Okay, so when the buyers are looking, they're starting to lurk here. They're starting to find value here. I mean, we've fallen pretty much from the highs. We're down 37% right now. So that is a pretty massive retracement. So it's not going to rebound, hit the level and then rebound, but it's definitely going to have to build some structure, and that's what we're waiting for. The structure we're waiting for needs to be on the high time frames as well. Okay, so for me, I'm sitting on hands. I'm not doing anything with this. I'll wait and see some structure. You can see there's some pin bars here, but I know we're going to gap down, so that's probably not going to materialize. But if you look at the lower time frames, like the 5 minutes, there are opportunities. Like I said yesterday, better gap down. Don't want to chase the shorts. Wait for the rebound. There's a rebound, and then there was a nice meandering short. Okay, and something like this is going to give you 400-point stop losses instead of 1,000-point stop losses. And all you're doing is you're going to be trading it. The US market, you just stay out of it because of the volatility there. Okay, so there are opportunities on lower time frames. If you just trade every day as an intraday, it's difficult for me to give you those entries and exits because I'm not watching the charts with you. But just use the same logic that we're using on the trading strategy. Don't chase the shorts off the cuff. Wait for the pullback. There's the pullback, and then chase it. Okay, so yeah, there are still shorts on offer. So any rebound, you're still looking for shorts, but take your profit because I don't think this is going to slide much further. Okay, and slide much further is pretty relative. It could be 1,000 or 2,000, even 3,000 points, but they are going to start seeing value somewhere around here. Okay, so anyway, that's it for me. Stay safe, and I'm not trading it. So if you are trading, be careful, and we'll catch you later. Cheers for now.